Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Happy Saturday. Today is I want to share my old hairstyle memorable. So ito po yung hairstyle ko nung bata ko. Medyo ano lang po, maiksi kasi yung buko nung bata ko. So ngayon medyo humaba na siya. Pero tinry ko lang po to share yung alaala, yung ginagawa ng mama ko nung bata ako. Yan po, and yung original style ng millennial style. Okay, thank you for watching.